We wanted to present here is the tender coconut de-husking machine. You must have seen these de-husking machines already available, but this one is it will remove 80 to 90% of the husk, and the processing time is taking less than 1 minute. It is, it could be used very effectively for the coconut processing industries, beverage industries, and even for cooperative societies and all. So how the current technologies are actually removing only 30 to 60% of the husk, and it is also taking a little bit longer time, and moreover the machinery cost is little bit expensive. So ours is a patented technology which actually removes it within less than 1 minute. So this is the prototype what we have developed in the Department of Printing and Packaging Technology by Dr. Senthil Vadivu of Anna University. So here you could see that you could place any size coconuts in the middle, and then it is supported by the two motors. It could by the blades also. It could remove the husk very efficiently. This is a patented diagram. So it is very fast, versatile, and it is also eco-friendly. Right. So the technology is also very consistent, and it's a relatively simple technology. I will be starting with this, and the target industry is farmers, cooperative societies, agricultural equipments, coconut processing industries, as I told you earlier. The prototype is already available in the laboratory, so it is almost like you could start using it immediately. We have actually made it as TRL level 6, but the time to commercialize could be much sooner, because it doesn't require any validation or anything much. Right. That's it.